Switching gears now, the COVID-19 vaccine is expanding in Georgia. The state will now administer the vaccine to more frontline workers, including law enforcement, first responders, and firefighters. Joe Ripley is live in Atlanta with more on this expansion.
Yeah, Georgia officials are calling this Phase 1A. They are expanding it already. Frontline healthcare workers, along with residents and staff at long-term care facilities, are getting this vaccine. But now, the governor's announcement last night, this group will include law enforcement, firefighters, and first responders here in Georgia. Governor Kemp, again, announcing this expanded rollout last night. It is set to start in the next couple of weeks. But the Department of Public Health says this all depends on how much of the vaccine Georgia has available. Right now, Georgia's administered over 61,000 doses, according to health officials. That's about on par with the rest of the country. Another key to this vaccine rollout, health officials are saying, is checking for potential side effects.
You need to watch and monitor people for potential side effects after vaccination. This might take anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes.
And Phase 1A will look different depending on where you are in Georgia. Some areas have more frontline healthcare workers, so they would take priority over first responders. We do expect to learn more this morning at 9 o'clock from Dr. Kathleen Toomey, Commissioner of Georgia's Department of Public Health, as well as the governor himself, again in a press conference later on this morning at 9 o'clock.
Joe, thank you. And happening today, the first round of COVID-19 vaccines will be given out in DeKalb County. Frontline employees at the DeKalb County Board of Health will be getting the first shots today after receiving 2,500 doses of the Moderna vaccine. Now, residents and staff at long-term care facilities and EMS personnel will also be getting vaccinated. Now let's take you to some numbers right here in the state. Yesterday, the Department of Public Health reported 375 new patients, bringing Georgia's total to more than 4,500 current hospitalizations. Now, for some perspective, that's 133% higher than it was back on Thanksgiving. And cases remain high, with more than 5,400 new ones reported yesterday. And that's not including the nearly 4,000 probable cases from antigen tests. Our weekly average for new cases is now up to nearly 5,000 cases per day. Meanwhile, a new COVID-19 variant is spreading across the country. California has reported its first case of the highly contagious strand. The new variant was first confirmed in the United Kingdom before spreading to Colorado and now California. Health experts say the new strain is not more harmful and the vaccine should be effective against it. Now, for the latest COVID-19 numbers and trends right here in Georgia, we want you to visit our website, 11alive.com.